How to unzip files on iPhone. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be explaining to you how you can unzip files on your iPhone. So firstly, on your iPhone, navigate to the Safari web browser. It's not mandatory to open Safari web browser. You can simply open any of the apps where the zip file is located. Now download the files on your device. It could be from your WhatsApp, your mail, or web browser. After you downloaded the zip file, navigate to the Files app and you will see your zip file right here. Unzipping these files is a very simple process. Tap and hold on the file that you want to unzip. Now select the option Uncompress. When you do that, then a new file will be created. Now all of the contents on the zip file will get unzipped in the new folder. Tap on the new file. Right now the new file is this one. So if you tap on this file, then the contents will be displayed. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.